Hindi tatalawa sa sipa ni Emerald.
Saan po sumipa sa Emerald eh. Lalaki mo ba yung kalaban ni Emerald? Ba't ganun?
Wala, iniisa siya babae. Lalayo lang ng lalayo sa Emerald yan. Go Emerald! Go Emerald!
Go Emerald!
Go Emerald! Go Emerald! Go Emerald!
Fighters, prepare for the second bout.
Go Emerald!
Go Emerald! Woo!
Fighters, please prepare for the next bout.
Go Emerald!
Hakeem Adil of Fitness Avenue, Aka. Carl Clarence Montes of Morong, Shiru.
Go Emerald!
Go Emerald! Go Emerald!
Woo!
Go Emerald!
This event made possible of the following sponsors: Mayor Danilo Leiva, Kapitan Puto Leiva, Acid.com.ph Incorporated, Kyokushin Zambales Dojo headed by Senpai Hajime Yokota, Philippine Volunteer Network, Happy Kids under Sensei Ken Saito, ABB students of Aoki. In behalf of the organizers, thank you very much.
Kiwaki.
Extended time.
Go Emerald!
Fighters of next bout, please prepare. Hakeem Adil of Fitness Avenue, Aka. And Carl Clarence Montes of Morong, Shiru.
Go Emerald!
Calling the attention of 78 boys and girls category. For the next bout, please prepare Hakeem Adil of Fitness Avenue and Carl Clarence Montes of Morong, Shiru. Please proceed to the fighting area.
Nanalo po sa Emerald ano?
Winner